Hi, welcome to VuDrive tutorial. My name is Lee Rabin. I'm leading business development at Django. In this video, we're going to talk about how to edit working hours for a specific vehicle on VuDrive. So the first thing you're going to do is navigate to VuDrive.net. After entering your credentials, the first thing you're going to see is the live map. We're going to go to Fleet Management and then click Vehicles. Find the vehicle you'd like to edit and then click View. We're going to go to the Working Hours tab, and the first thing we'll see is the default working hours settings for the fleet. So let's say this specific vehicle isn't supposed to be working on Sundays. Click Custom, then Not Working, and Update. And just to make sure that the update was successful, we're going to go back to Fleets, then click View on the specific fleet, and then go to the Working Hours tab. And now we can see that we have a vehicle with working hours exceptions.